Alcohol is a word that many people hear often. It is used in drinks, in medicine, and even for cleaning. This lesson will help understand what alcohol means and how it affects people. Alcohol is a liquid. It can change how the body and mind feel. Some people drink it for fun, but it can also be dangerous if used too much. There are two main types of alcohol. One type is safe in small amounts for adults to drink. The other type is not safe to drink at all and is used for cleaning or making products. Alcohol comes from fruits, grains, or plants. When these things are left to ferment, they change and make alcohol. Common drinks that have alcohol are beer, wine, and spirits. Each drink has a different amount of alcohol inside. To make alcohol, people use a process called fermentation. Tiny living things called yeast eat sugar and turn it into alcohol and gas. Alcohol is not only in drinks. It is also used in daily life. Some perfumes, mouthwashes, and cleaning sprays have alcohol in them. When alcohol goes into the body, it travels to the brain. It can make people feel relaxed or happy at first. But too much can make people dizzy, sick, or sleepy. Some adults drink alcohol to relax or celebrate. They may drink at parties, dinners, or special events. Children should never drink alcohol. Their bodies are still growing, and alcohol can harm their brain and health. Doctors sometimes use alcohol in medicine. It helps clean wounds and kill germs. Some cough syrups also have a small amount of alcohol. Alcohol is also used for cleaning. It can remove dirt and kill bacteria on hands or surfaces. It is important to use alcohol safely. Never drink cleaning alcohol. Always keep it away from children. Responsible use means knowing how much is safe. Adults should not drink too much or too often. In many cultures, alcohol is part of traditions. People may use it in celebrations or religious events. In social settings, alcohol is often shared. People may drink together to feel friendly or relaxed. Health is very important. Drinking too much alcohol can hurt the liver, heart, and brain. It can also make people addicted. Moderation means not drinking too much. Adults can enjoy a small amount, but they should stop when they feel enough. There are many alternatives to alcohol. People can drink juice, soda, or water instead. These are safe and healthy choices. It is good to recognize products that have alcohol. Reading labels helps to know what is inside. Labels show how strong a drink is. The number called % alcohol tells how much alcohol is in it. Families can talk about alcohol together. Talking helps children understand why it is not safe for them. Smart choices keep people healthy. Saying no to alcohol is okay. It shows strength and care for the body. Sometimes friends may offer alcohol. It is fine to say no politely. Real friends will respect that choice. If someone has trouble with alcohol, help is available. Talking to a doctor, teacher, or counselor can make a big difference. Support systems like family and friends can help people stay safe and strong. No one has to face problems alone. Let's review some keywords. Alcohol, fermentation, moderation, and safety are important to remember. Important reminders: alcohol can be useful, but it can also be harmful. Always use it carefully and responsibly. In summary, alcohol is a liquid made from plants or grains. It can be used for drinks, medicine, or cleaning. It affects the body and mind. Learning about alcohol helps people make smart choices. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always think before using alcohol. This lesson was brought by Wordscience. Keep learning new words and ideas with Wordscience to grow knowledge every day.